What you need: 2 centimetre wide strips of paper, pencil, glue stick, scissors, hole punch and some string. So I've got 3 strips of paper to make this one. I'm just going to measure where I'm going to be cutting. So I want them 3 different lengths. So the left is the longest, purple is the middle and blue is the shortest. And I'm going to cut them and I'm going to put them back into the right order just so that I remember which one's which. So I'm only cutting off a little bit, but it'll be enough to make the different sizes. Once that's done, grab your smallest piece. I'm going to add some glue just to the edge. And then we're going to grab the second strip and we're going to line them up carefully and give them a bit of a squeeze, making sure that they're sticking well. Then add some more glue. And we're going to take that third strip and put them on. Again, making sure it's lined up, giving it a good squeeze, make sure it's glued together. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side. So again, add a little bit of glue, grab the second strip, there we go, line it up and squeeze it together, making sure it's sticking well. Add some more glue and do the last one. Right, now it's always fun to have a little play and see what other shapes you can make. You could do this way to make the circles, but we are going to make a heart. So have a little think about how we're going to do this. So we grab the opposite ends, put them on top and fold them in a little bit. So it gives you quite a loose heart with a really round bottom. So we're going to add some glue just to the edge there. Grab the other piece and turn them kind of inside out really. It's a little bit tricky. And we're going to put it on top and then hold it there. And again, if you're worried about it undoing, grab a peg and stick a peg on this piece as well, just to keep it glued together while it dries. There we go, we've got quite a round, it's a little bit like an apple, rounded shape heart. Now to add our string, this one's already been tied into a loop. At the bottom end, we stick it underneath, we're going just looping around that little bit that's sticking down from the heart. And again, doing it quite gently because we don't want to change the shape of your heart. There we go, it all dangles and it's all finished.